I'm Outlaw.
And I'm Fat Boy.
And you're in the Spittoon Saloon.
And we're doing country cocktails.
That's right, son. Now, last week you took the reins,
right.
and we made us a Mississippi margarita.
Oh, yeah.
Well, today we're making one of my favorites, and I don't know if you've had this one. I'm going to make it for you.
You're going to make me a drink?
Dude, come on now. And what do we got here? We got a little ice.
Oh, we're getting fancy today.
And we got some, I think these are called goblets. I don't know. We got some wine glasses because today we're making the Redneck Sangria, son.
Yeah.
All right. Now, have you ever had a sangria before?
Can't say I have.
Okay. I'm a big fan of sangrias. I love red wine. I know you can make a white sangria, but that's a little racial and racist. You know, it's a little insensitive. I don't like to touch that subject.
Keyboard warriors coming out on that one.
Yeah, so I'm going to stick with the red, okay? Red is one of my favorite colors, too. Love it. It's the color of my bucket, and it's, well, there's red in the flag.
Red in the flag?
There's red in the flag. So
red on PBR?
Yeah, there's PBR, dude. I haven't drank that crap since high school, man.
Well, neither have I, but there's still red on it.
Okay, yeah. I love red. Red, white, and blue.
Red-blooded Americans.
Can't say that. It's got the red, white in it.
Oh, yeah. Red fire trucks.
Fire trucks, gotta love it. Firefighters.
Everybody loves firefighters.
Love firefighters. I love that freaking catalog that they come out with every year. It's like 12 pages.
Calendar.
The calendar!
Yeah.
Where's the Bud Light?
Yeah.
All right, what's our first ingredient? It's wine, ladies and gentlemen. Today we got ourselves some decoy. Now, usually with a redneck sangria, I would say just get boxed red wine, okay?
Yeah.
But this is all I got, man. I love me some red wine. Actually, to be honest, are you a wine fan? I don't even know if you're a wine fan. I know you're a fan of whining, but are you a fan of wine in general?
I mean, I do enjoy wine in all its forms.
Okay.
The liquid form and the crying form.
Okay, yeah. I love me a good cab, a little good Cabernet. I'm a big fan of Merlot too, but I love a good cab. This is Decoy, just red wine. This is a 2019. Oh my gosh, dude. How old? Remember back in 2019 when the world was just normal?
Such a great year.
Golly, this is the Duckhorn Portfolio. Oh, fancy.
Portfolio's coming out.
You're wearing your good overalls today.
Right.
All right, dude. Actually, first you want to do the honors and put some ice in our glasses. I'm going to go ahead and give this a sniffle, son. Ooh, that smells good. Yeah, fill her up, baby. Oh, yeah. Give me a little bit more. Just a little bit. Just a tad. Just a couple cubes. Just a little bit, yeah, there you go.
Couple cubes.
You guys are going to love this one, I'm telling you. Now, if you've ever had a sangria, it's fruity. It's I don't know. We're going to make it right now. Here we go. You start with a wine glass. You get yourself some wine. Now, this is equal parts. Only 2 ingredients. 2? It's a redneck sangria, so there can't be too many because we get lost, you know what I mean?
Only count to 10.
Yep, so we're going to go ahead and just pour this up here halfway.
Oh, very nice.
All right, you
nice
see that red darkness there? How's that? Oh, that's pretty good.
I like it.
Okay, now, usually in a sangria, here you go. You want to take that bottle, you can put that over there. Oh, yeah. Actually, just put it right here. We'll have it on display. There we go. We try to be fancy today, like we from France. All right, check this out. Most sangrias will have a bunch of different, they'll have some like liqueur, they'll have some fruit. They put all these fruits and stuff, raspberries and oranges and stuff. Why go through the trouble of buying all that frou-frou nonsense?
It's a little hot.
And it's expensive.
Oh.
When you can go to the store and you've got 23 flavors in one bottle, son, get you some Doctor, son.
Doctor's
Equal parts red wine and some DP, son. Here we go. This right here is a redneck sangria. And look at that. We're done, son.
That easy.
That's it.
Very nice.
Redneck sangria. Try it at home. Of course, if you're 21 of age.
That's right.
Decoy red wine. Get you some cheap box red wine, man. Don't need that frou-frou BS. And some Dr. Pepper. Cheers, buddy.
Ooh.
God dang, son. You're going to be surprised. I'm telling y'all right now. Last episode. Dude. Are you surprised or what?
Dude, that's really good.
It's like creamy, son.
Good. Drink that every day.
Holy dick.
Dang.
I don't think the people know that it's like not even 10 a.m. yet. This some dick gets off work at 8 o'clock in the morning.
That's right.
So I was like, well, I'm leaving for Kansas tomorrow, go turkey hunting. So let's do this early. And like, bruh, I was not really a big fan of drinking this early, but that is good. That's
5 o'clock for me.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's definitely for you.
Yeah.
Cheers, buddy. Hey, I love you, my man.
Oh,
This is right here is the drink of love.
the drink of love.
And I love you.
Oh, I love you like I love this drink.
I love you like I love the color red and firefighters. Firefighters. Sorry about that. We can edit at the love part. Yeah.
Take all that out.
Yeah.
Dude,
That's not bad at all, is
no.
it? That's here. Let's stir it. It's like creamy.
It is. That's rich and tasty.
I haven't made that. I've made this before. I haven't made it in a while. Still the same. Dang.
I like more of the Dr. Pepper flavor in that one, which is a surprise because you poured the Dr. Pepper in second. Mm-hmm. So I figured I'd take more of that. Once you mixed it, it's like less of the wine, but it's more like evened out.
It's almost like a cherry cream soda.
Yeah.
That's freaking good, yo. I don't hate it at all.
Sad it's over? Click on one of these pictures to continue your adventure. Y'all come back now, you hear?